What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides News. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where the BMW M4 new coupe, no roof. The 2021 has a soft top and it just debuted, and now we get our first look at the $53,000 convertible. So the 2021 BMW 4 Series convertible debuts, bringing a new big nose styling to the drop top model, and the price starts at $53,100 before the $995 destination charge. Now, these open roof coupes arrive in the United States in March 2021, so we still have some time, it being right before October. Now, the 2020 model year will get the rear wheel variant, and in July 2021 you'll get the all-wheel variant. So with that said, the latest generation of the 4 Series convertible makes a big switch to using a soft material for its roof rather than having a folding hard top like the previous model. Now, the soft top roof is around 40% lighter than the previous panels, and during the top down motoring there is 9 cubic feet or 255 liters of trunk space, which is 1.2 cubic feet or 34 liters more than before. Inside, occupants benefit from the 0.2 inches of additional headroom when the roof is in place. Now, the roof can open and close within 18 seconds and operates at up to 31 miles per hour or 50 kilometers per hour. Now, on the M440i, an owner can operate the top from the key fob, and this is an option for the 430i. The top comes standard in black, but for a more stylish appearance, there's also an optional moonlight black top that has a metallic shimmer. Now, in large part, the 4 Series convertible is identical to the coupe, other than the ability to lower the roof. BMW gives the vehicle some tweaks for improved torsional rigidity, like stiffer side skirts, an aluminum shear panel at the front, and reinforced transmission tunnel, and a rigid rear floor plate. Now, the engineers also put attention into the extra noise reduction with a focus on the intake system, engine cover, and underbody. Now, the engine range carries over from the 4 Series coupe. The 430i uses a turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder that makes 255 horsepower, 190 kilowatts, and 295 pound-feet or 400 newton-meters of torque. Now, the rear drive drop top reaches 60 miles per hour and 96 kilometers per hour in 5.9 seconds, depending on the wheel and tire combination. The top speed is limited to 130 miles per hour or 209 kilometers, or 155 miles per hour and 249 kilometers. Now, the M440i has a 3-liter turbocharged inline 6-cylinder engine with a 48-volt mild hybrid technology that produces 382 horsepower and 285 kilowatts and 369 pound-feet or 500 newton-meters of torque. Now, the rear drive model hits 60 in just 5 seconds, and like the other model, the top speed is limited to 130 miles per hour or 209 kilometers, or 155 miles per hour and 249 kilometers, depending on the tire and wheel combo that the buyer selects. Now, both engines come with an 8-speed automatic, and the M440i also benefits from a standard M Sport rear differential. Now, it's optional on the 430i, and BMW is already confirming prices for the 2021 4 Series convertible range. Now, these prices are not including the $995 destination fee. Now, the 430i convertible, $53,100. The 430i X-Drive convertible, $55,100. The M440i convertible, $64,000. And the M440i X-Drive convertible, $66,000. So what do you guys think about BMW dropping the top over a hard top? Would you rather have the soft top, or would you rather BMW not try to fix what isn't broken and keep the hard top? Let me know down in the comments below. Now, if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Giving it a thumbs up helps get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on the new 4 Series losing its top, but getting a soft top. Now, if you want to further support the channel, always check the links down below. I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, Cash App, and Venmo. In case you guys want to donate $1 or $2 to the channel, you can always do that. You can also check out my Patreon subscription, be a monthly subscriber, or you can check out the Ron's Rides merch. We get Ron's Rides hoodies, long sleeve shirts, coffee mugs, pillows, everything Ron's Rides. Make sure you check that out as well. You can also check me out on Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram. See all the memes, car videos, and pictures that I'm posting that doesn't always make it here to the channel. And with that said, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click that notification bell so you can get these videos straight to your inbox as soon as they come out so you don't miss one. With that said, guys, be blessed, have a great day. We'll talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rides News video. Peace.